Welcome friends. I bought list of 20 shares which are at very good valuation and at very good buying level. But this is not my investment advice. You can have your own study before any investment in all these shares. Okay. So we'll go one by one over these shares. First share is Geo Financial Services. It provides non-deposit financial solutions. It is a large cap company having market capitalization of 1.8 lakh crore. Current price of this company is 296. 52 high was 338 and 52-week low was 198, whereas all-time high of this company was 395. So it is 24% down from all-time high, 12% down from 52-week high, and 49% up from 52-week low. PE of this share is 115 and gain from listing is only 38% because it is newly listed company. But it is a very good company. Please study before any investment. Now we'll go to next company, that is Varun Beverages Limited. It is a franchisee bottler of carbonated soft drink and non-carbonated beverages. It is a large cap company having market capitalization of 1.63 lakh crore. Current price of this company is 482. 52-week high was 663 and 52-week low was 419. All-time high was 681. Now it is 29% down from all-time high. So we are getting this company at almost 30% discount. It is from, if you see from 52-week high, again it is discounted at 27%. Up from 52-week low is 15% only. PE of this company is 55 and gain from listing is 1751%. So it is a huge gain after listing of this company. The person who started his investment journey in this company at the time of listing may be sitting with a gain of 1751% on this company. Now we go to next company, that is ONGC, energy company, production of crude oil and natural gases. Okay. It is a large cap company, 2.95 lakh crore. Dividend yield is 5.2%, which is greater than saving bank interest. Okay. Now the current price of this company is 235. 52-week high was 274 and 52-week low was 205. All-time high of this company was 345. So it is at 32% discount from all-time high, and it is 14%. It is at 14% discount from 52-week high. It is only 14% up from 52-week low. That is lowest price in past 52 weeks. It is only 14% up. Now, if you'll see P, it is very lower P. It is a good sign, and gain from listing is 942%. So NGC is a good company, but have your own study before investing in this company. Now, next company is TCS. It is a giant. It is a IT service provider company involved in digital and digital business solutions. Okay. So this is a large cap company having market capitalization of 12 lakh crore, almost 12 lakh crore, and dividend yield of this company is 2%. Current price is 3280, whereas 52 high was 4323. 52 week low was 2866 and all-time high was 4592. So it is 28% discounted from all-time high and 24% discounted from 52-week high. Now we can see that it is only 14% up from 52-week low. P of this company is 24. So company like TCS, it is a IT giant and P is only 24% and gain from listing you can see it is 2623. And I want to just state here that listing in which we are, it is not listing in, gain from listing is 2623. It is a notional gain. It doesn't include bonus, split and all these things and other advantage which company has given to us. Okay. Now next company is JSW Energy. It is a power company engaged in generation and sale of power. It is a mid-cap company having market capitalization of 0.83 crore. Dividend yield is nil almost. Current price is 478. 52-week high is 674 and 52-week low is 418. All-time high of this company was 805. So it is almost at 40% discount from all-time high. Whereas from 52-week high, you can see it is at a 30% discount or 29% discount. And it is only 14% up from 52-week low. PE of this company is 41 and gain from listing is 322. It is a very good company. It is also involved in solar power business. So prospects of this company is very good. You can have your own study before investing. Now next company is DMart. No need to give introduction of DMart company. Large cap 2.46 lakh crore. Current price is 3787. 52 high was 4949. 52-week low was 3340 and all-time high was 5900. It is at 35% discount from all-time high, 23% discount from 52-week high, and almost 14% up from 52-week low. PE of this company is 90. Gain from listing is 514%. It is a very good company. We can think of investment in this company. Now next company is OFSS, Oracle Financial Services Solution. It is a IT solution provider company to financial services industry. It is a mid-cap company having market capitalization of 0.767 lakh crore. Dividend yield of this company is very good. That is 3.5%. And current price of this company is 7758. 52-week high was 13,220. 52-week low was 7,038 rupees. And all-time high was 13,220. So, all-time high and 52-week high are all same, 13,220. Now down from all-time high is 41%. So it is 41% down from its all-time high price. Down from 52-week high is also same because prices are same, and up from 52-week low is 10%. Now PE of this company is 28% and gain from listing is 2996. So you can clearly see that PE is very low, gain from listing is 2996 along with dividend of 3.5%. So if you calculate total gain, it is very much higher than 2996%. Okay, so we can think of investment in this company also. Now next is Bajaj Holding. It is a holding company. Market capitalization is 1.24 lakh crore and dividend yield is 1%. Okay. Now current price of this company is 11,155. 52-week high was 14,763. 52-week low was 10,245. All-time high is 14,763. Down from all-time high is 24%. Down from 52-week high is 24%. Up from 52-week low was 9%. PE is 15. Gain from listing is 6516. Trent retail sale. It is a company involved in the retail sale of ready-made garment. It is a large cap company. It market capitalization of this company is also 1.52 lakh crore. Current price is 4280. 52 high is 7493. 52 week low is 3930. All time high is 8345. So it is almost 48% down. It is means we can say we are getting this company at 50% price from the top. Down from 52-week high is also 42% and up from 52-week low is only 9%. So it is good time to invest in this company. PE of this company is 93 and gain from listing is 22,910%. So it is a huge gain. It is advisable to invest in Trent, but you should do your own study before investing in this company. Now next company is TI India. Okay. So this is mobility focused manufacturing company specialized in bicycle. Murugappan Group company. It is a mid cap company having market capitalization of 0.5 lakh crore. Current price is 2597. 52 week high is 3693 and 52 week low is 2407. All time high is 4811. So we are getting this company at a discount of 46% from all time high, 29% from 52 week high, and up from 52 week low is 8% only. PE of this company is 80 and gain from listing is 16,654%. It is a good gain. Good means we can say it is an excellent gain. So we can think of investing in this company, but we should have proper study before doing any investment in this company. Now we go to next company, that is REC, Rural Electrification Corporation. It finances and promotes power projects across India. It is a mid-cap company, a 0.94 lakh crore, we can say 1 lakh crore almost. Current price is 357. 52 week high is 544. 52 week low is 330 and all-time high is 654. So down from all-time high is 45%. So company like REC Limited is 45% down from um, it its all-time high price, and it is 34% down from 52-week high. Up from 52-week low is only 8%, and PE is 5.45, and gain from listing is 747%. I had not mentioned dividend yield here, but I can say um, that REC is also having very good dividend yield, but by mistake it is left in my this slideshow. So I'll clarify later. IRCTC, it is also a catering, hospitality, and internet ticketing booking company. Rail Neer is sold by IRCTC. It, only tourism business related to railway is also under IRCTC. So we can say it is a good company. Dividend yield of this company is 1.5%. It is a mid-cap company and having market capitalization of 0.56 lakh crore. So current price of 705, current price of IRCT is 705. One thing I want to clarify, that dividend yield of REC is 5.5%. Okay. In last video with what in this REC Limited, I had not mentioned dividend yield. It is almost 5.5%. That is very much greater than saving interest. Now we'll move to next company, that is IRCTC. It is a catering, hospitality, and internet ticketing booking company. It also controls tourism business of railway, and it is also supplier of Neil, that is packaged water in throughout rail network of India. It is a mid-cap company. Dividend yield is also very good. It is 1.5%. Current price is 705. 52 high is 831, and 52-week low is 656. All-time high is 1279. So we can say, or we can see, that it is 45% discounted from its all-time high price, and 15% discounted from 52-week high. It is only 7% up from 52-week low. P of this company is 41, and gain from listing is 2,43,520%. It is a huge gain, and those who have this company are very lucky. Those who hold it this company after listing are very lucky, and they will never sell this company. Now we'll go to next slide, that is PFC. It is also a non-banking financial corporation. It is Power Finance Corporation. It finances companies related to power business. It is a large cap company. Its market capitalization of this company is 1.17 lakh crore, and dividend yield is 4.5%. It is also a very good dividend yield company. Okay. So current price of this company is 354. 52-week high is 474. 52-week low is 329, and all-time high is 580. So we are getting this company at a discount of 38% from its all-time high price, and down from 52-week high is also 25%. It is only 7% up from 52-week low. PE of this company is 4.7. See, PE 4.7. It is very low PE, and it is a very good indicator of company uh, for investment, for taking decision of investment in this type of company. So gain from listing is 694%. So this is very good company. If you invest some money, at least you will get 5% dividend per year. Okay, along with gain. Now we'll go to next slide, that is Power Grid Corporation. So power transmission business is the core business of Power Grid Corporation. It is a large cap company, that is 2.47 lakh crore. Dividend yield is also 3.5%. Current price is 265. All time 52-week high is 322. 52-week low is 247. All time high is 366. So it is at a discount of 27% from the all time high, at a discount of 17% from 52-week high, and at a discount of 7% from 52-week low. PE of this company is 16.5, and gain from listing is 369%. So it is a very good company. You can think of investment in this company, but one thing I want to clarify here, that in company like Power Grid, REC, PFC, we can start investment in this type of company, but be please do your complete study, that this company should be uh, at least 30% uh, trading at a 30% lower price from its all-time high. Then only you go for investment in this company, or start investment in this company, and then you can do averaging when company falls more, or company if shoot up, then you can do upper side averaging after 30% gain. Okay. Now we go to next company, that is HUL. Hindustan Unilever Limited is a FMCG company. It is a large cap company having market capitalization of 5.36 lakh crore. Dividend yield of this company is 2%. Current price is 2288. 52 high is 2750. 52 low is 2136. All time high is 3035. Down from all time high is 24%. Down from 52 high is 16%. And up from 52 low is 7%. P of this company is 50 and gain from listing is 1278%. So it is a very good company. HUL, we should have no question mark in this company, but then also we should do study before doing any investment in this type of company. Now next company is Godrej Property. It is a mid cap company having market capitalization of 0.6%, 0.6 lakh crore. It is a construction and real estate development company, Godrej Property. There is no need of introduction for this type of company. Current price is 2000. 52 high is 2895. 52 low is 1900. And all time high is 3403. So it is 41% down from its peak and 30% down from 52-week high. It is only 5% up from its 52-week low. So it is the best time to invest in this type of company. Godrej Property is a reliable real estate and construction business company. Okay. We can see PE of this company is 38%, gain from listing is 730%. So, if you start your investment journey in this type of company having 41% discount from peak, your gain, say your gain after investment in this company will be very much higher than 30%. So we can think of investment in this company. Now next company is ITC. It is also FMCG company. It is having very good dividend yield of 3.5%. It is large cap company, 5.06 lakh crore market cap. Current price is 404. 52 week high is 491, 52 week low is 390, and all time high is 529. So it is 23% discounted from all time high. 52 week high down from 52 high is 17%, and up from 52 week low is 3%. PE is 14 and gain from listing is 2290%. So it is very good company. We can think of investment in this company. Now next company is FMEG company. It also manufacture cable, electrical consumer durable, that is Havells India Limited. It is a mid-cap company having market capitalization of 0.88 lakh crore. Current price is 1418. 52 high is 1721. 52 low is 1380. All-time high is 2160. Down from all-time high is 32%. Okay. So, if you'll see down from 52 high, it is 17%. Up from 52 low is only 2%. So, PE of this company is 60 and gain from listing is 7490. So, it has given 74,900% return from its listing to the investor. So it is a very good company and everybody is aware of Havells India Limited. So we can think of investment in this company. Now next company is Dixon Technology. It is also a mid-cap company having market capitalization of 0.74%. It is also a consumer durable and mobile manufacturing company. Current price is 12328. 52 high is 18700 and 52 week low is 12310. All time high is 19149. Current price, if you'll see to the current price, it is almost 35% discount from all time high, 34% discount from 52 week high, and up from 52 week low is 1%. PE of this company is 48% and gain from listing is 2208%. So we can think of investing in this company also. Now next company is Colgate-Palmolive. It is personal and oral care business. But it is a mid-cap company. It is having market capitalization of 0.56 crore. So dividend yield of this company is also very good. That is 2.5%. Okay. Now current price of this company is 2087. 52 high is 2975. 52 low is 2064. So you see current price is 2087. 50 low is 2064. So it is almost at where it was standing at 52 low price. So 52 week low price of this company and current price is almost same. All time high of this company is 3890, where it is trading at 46% discount from all time high and 29% discount from 52 week high. It is only 1% up from 52 week low, and P of this company is 42 and gain from listing is 2001. So it is a very good company, given very good gain from listing to the investor. So we can invest in this company, and dividend yield of this company is also very good. That is 2.5%. So thank you. Thank you very much, friends. If you like the video, just like it and share it. Thank you.
Yes, Robin.